Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to calculate remaining days using DateDiff on Query Design in Microsoft Access. This is a powerful technique that allows you to track deadlines, monitor project timelines, or calculate how many days are left until important dates, all within your database. Start by opening your Microsoft Access app and loading into your database. Once the software has loaded along with your data, you're ready to begin setting up your calculation. This process uses Access's built-in query design tools, which give you flexibility in creating custom date calculations without needing to manually update formulas. To get started with calculating remaining days using DateDiff, click on the Create tab on the top part of your screen. This is where all your tools are located for building new database objects. From here, look for the Query Design option and click on it. This opens up the Query Design interface, which is where you'll be building your date difference calculation. Once the Query Design field is open, you'll see the design grid at the bottom of your screen. Start by adding in your date field to the Query Design grid. This is the field that contains the dates you want to calculate from, such as due dates, deadlines, or any other date-based information stored in your database. Now, beside your date field on a blank grid, right-click on it. A small option window will appear with several choices. From this menu, click on Zoom. The Zoom text box will appear, giving you more space to work with your formula. This makes it much easier to write and review longer expressions without being confined to the small grid cell. I'll be showing you a link of query that you can use to calculate the remaining days using DateDiff. You can pause the video to accurately copy the query. The DateDiff function works by comparing two dates and returning the difference between them in days. In this case, you're comparing your stored date field against today's date to see how many days remain. Make sure you copy the query exactly as shown, paying attention to syntax, quotation marks, and parentheses, as even small errors can prevent the calculation from working correctly. Once you've copied the query formula into the Zoom box and verified it's correct, click OK to close the Zoom window. You'll see your formula now appears in the design grid. Next, click on Run, located on the top part of your screen. This executes your query and processes the DateDiff calculation across all records in your database. You'll be presented with a sheet along with the DateDiff query result from the field you've added. The results will show the number of remaining days for each record, making it easy to see which deadlines are approaching or which dates have already passed. Positive numbers indicate days remaining in the future, while negative numbers show how many days have passed since that date. And that's it. You've successfully set up a remaining days calculation using DateDiff in Microsoft Access. This automated calculation will update whenever you run the query, always giving you current information about your dates. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.